Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets The Vine, located right in the heart of the hotel zone of Cancun, and some of the best views in the entire area. So currently the room that we're in is a deluxe ocean view category, and this particular one has 2 queen-size beds. I did want to point out that this comes in both a preferred and non-preferred option. The difference is that the preferred clubs are on the higher floors. This particular one actually happens to be that. And in addition to that, you're also going to get all of those preferred club amenities. So follow along and let me show you what this room is all about. So as soon as you walk in here on the right-hand side, you're going to have your first set of storage. You've got your hanging storage here, you've got an iron and ironing board, storage up and down, and your safe is gonna be right there. So continuing on through, your second set of storage is right here. You've got your robes and your slippers. Of course, they do maid service every day and turn down service, so they're gonna put those slippers right next to your bed. Now we're in the bathroom area. This is truly a double vanity, but it's kind of an extreme double vanity. You've got the first one over here, the backlit mirror. You've got a little storage underneath your scale, but also that signature incense that they have in every room at Secrets. Over here to the left, you're gonna find the toilet, and here's the second vanity right here. You've got this magnifying backlit mirror right there and a large amenity kit. Now this particular room is of the preferred club variety, as I mentioned, and so you're gonna have a much larger kit in here. You're also gonna have your hair dryer under there. Continuing on, this is the shower. You've got a huge rainforest shower head up above, a second shower head right there, and I do love that they have dual and separate controls that are really, really easy to use. So now we're headed into the bedroom. I just wanted to point out that this resort is used a lot for girlfriends, getaways, different weddings and groups like that. So it's really nice to have a variety with 2 beds. In addition to that, you have these unbelievable master suite ocean fronts. And on each floor, they actually have one of these rooms that can connect through a lockout. So you may want to check out our master suite video and see what that's all about. So at the foot of the bed, you're going to have your large flat panel smart TV. They've got a writing desk right here. You've got your mini fridge just under there, so it's a fully stocked minibar, and they will replenish that as often as you like throughout your stay. Continuing along, you have 3 US plugs and USB if you're using it as a desk, and then right here you'll have a continuation of the minibar with the snacks, once again preferred club, and then every room is going to get the Nespresso maker with the Nespresso pods that they'll replenish as often as you like. Continuing through, you've got your 2 beds right here, and just in the middle, they've got the lighting controls in the back. They do have a lamp here with a plug. I always bring a USB splitter, that way I can plug it in, and I can charge multiple devices at one time. Now, one great feature that they have here at the resort is this tablet. So it's in every single room category, and it's essentially replaced the hotel guide, but it's more than that. Of course, you can access different menu items and see what all of the dining and spa is all about. But in addition to that, I use it the most to order room service, and then you press the button right on there as well when you're done, and they're gonna come and get it from you. A nice little luxury touch. So now we're out on the balcony. Of course, you can open those up wider if you want that indoor-outdoor feel. I'm gonna shut that right behind me. Now, one of the unique features of this particular resort is that you have an ocean view from every single room in the entire resort, and it is such a beautiful view of the ocean. You have these incredible turquoise and blue water. I think there's 7 or 8 different shades out there in front of me. But the balcony right here is what you're gonna find with this deluxe ocean view. You've got a small chair over here to the left. You've got another chair and then a table, perfect for that coffee or cocktail. Now in this particular configuration, this is the one that's at the very front, so you've got the master suite ocean front just in front of me, but once again, these are on every single level of the resort. The ones below floor 21 are going to be the ones that are not preferred club, the ones above are preferred. Now at this particular resort, you're gonna really wanna consider that upgrade to preferred club. In addition to some of the amenities I mentioned inside the room, and you also get a pillow menu on top of it, you're also gonna have some fantastic resort amenities. The biggest one is, of course, the rooftop pool. It is a signature here. It's just open to preferred club guests, and you can watch our full resort tour where we talk about that and take you through every single space here. In addition to that, when you check in, you're gonna be whisked right past the regular check-in area up to your floor, and the butlers are gonna check you in right there. There's also several other preferred club amenities, but it's just something that you may definitely want to consider. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We have an incredible relationship with AM Resorts. We know the properties inside and out, and we know that we can help create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends at an incredible value.